prude about it, but I think do it in certain places. You don't want it walking up and down the street in front of you, do you? And you go, I don't want to sit on a tube where someone's had their bare bottom on the seat. So I think, I remember actually we were in Cornwall one time and we were hiking across the cliff near Forum Bow and we saw this lovely little old couple and we got a bit lost and said, you know, how do we get back to Lamorna, which is where we were? And they said, you just follow us actually, because we're going down this cliff and you can only get